connect yes. Here I made SiO3 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. SiO3 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 silicon and oxygen 6 into 3. 18 oxygen atoms only will be present. Even though it is SiO4, 4 minus units are joined. 2 oxygen atoms are shared and therefore the number becomes SiO3 6 times. How the charges are made, how the number of atoms of oxygen comes in, all those things we have calculated. Beryl is the example. First example, phenacite, olivine, tartwitite. Here we started with B, BSA I said, B beryl, beryllium, aluminum, valency 2, valency 3. Therefore 6 plus 6 plus totally 12 plus, therefore 12 minus charge nullified. This is how we get the molecular formula. For ring silicate or cyclic silicate, here in aluminosilicate with each aluminum is surrounded by 6 oxygen atoms octaedrally. All right. Next, let me go into the next type, enosilicate. Under enosilicate, we have two types, 4 and 5. Chain silicate and double chain silicate comes under enosilicates. So enosilicates are silicates which contain N silicate units linked by sharing 2 or more oxygen atoms. So here 2 or more atoms are linked, N units will be getting. Now chain silicate more or less comes under ring silicate. Here it forms ring, here it forms chain. What sort of chain it comes? Chain silicate. So fourth type, chain silicate. Chain silicate is otherwise called as pyroxene. Chain silicates are otherwise called as pyroxenes. Now let me draw the chain silicate to start with, and then let us try to find out in what way it is formed. It is also here in chain silicate also 2 oxygen atoms are shared, and therefore molecular formula exactly as we have seen in ring silicate will be getting. Exactly as we have seen in beryl will be saying. All right. Now let me draw a line. All right. Here oxygen, 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 oxygen. Here there will be a silicon. Here one silicon, here one silicon, here one silicon, here one silicon, here one silicon. And here an oxygen. We are getting a triangle like this. So instead of making silicon, let me make a triangle first. So that it will be easy, I think. Oxygen, 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 oxygen. I made triangles. In between we will be having silicon with oxygen. That's all. So this is how in chain silicates the SiO4 tetrahedron units are linked. Here again 2 oxygen atoms are shared. As I have discussed earlier, each silicon atom is having only 2 oxygen atoms exclusively for it. 1, 2. Only 2 oxygen atoms exclusively for it. 2 more oxygen atoms are shared, and therefore contribution is 1/2 by 2 plus 1. Therefore SiO3 is the basic empirical formula, I can say. Regarding charge, only 2 will have a negative charge. Remaining 2, they are shared and therefore they won't have charge. They are not linked with the metal ion. Therefore they may not get negative charge from the metal ion. So they don't have charge. So the charge comes to 2 minus only for each SiO3 unit. If we have n such units, n, 2n minus, as we have seen in ring silicate. chain silicate or pyroxene also has SiO3n 2n minus as the molecular formula. And the example BSA part and then BSA, S is for spodumene. Yes, is for spodumene. It is made of lithium and aluminum. Lithium and aluminum. Along with that, lithium, what is the charge on lithium? It belongs to alkali metal, therefore plus 1. Aluminum plus 3, total charge 4 minus. 4 plus, you should have 4 minus. And therefore, SiO3 twice. Then only you will be having, each SiO3 is having 2 minus. To have 4 minus, we need 2 SiO3. So, spodumene, molecular formula, Li Al SiO3 twice. So, that is about chain silicate. Now, double chain silicate. Double chain silicate I can attach with this fifth example, double chain silicates are otherwise called as amphiboles. In amphiboles, the double chain silicate, in what way it comes? It is, the chain is added with another chain. It comes at the bottom like this. Here, it can be extended like this. O, 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 O. At the center silicon. So, in silicate, we have two categories, chain and double. 2 or 3 oxygen atoms are being shared. Now, we are going in for double chain silicate. In double chain silicate, the specialty is that in certain SiO4 units, 2 oxygen atoms are shared. In certain SiO4, 50% 2 oxygen atoms, 50% 3 oxygen atoms are shared. 2 oxygen shared, 3 oxygen shared. All right. It goes like this. Easy to draw. This is how it comes. It can be extended like this. Like this it goes. All right. I need not extend like this. Same thing. Now, in what way the molecular formula has to be arrived for this double chain silicate? 2 different kinds we have seen. 3 shared, 2 shared, both categories we have. How? If I look at it, 1, 2, 3, 3 are shared. If you look at it, only 2 are shared, 2 are not shared. And therefore, how can be the molecular formula? Si, if 2 shared, SiO2 plus 1, if 2 shared. If 2 becomes common, 2 shared, 2 exclusively for the silicon. Contribution of these 2 oxygen for the silicon, 1/2, totally 1. Therefore, this part due to this type of SiO4 4 minus units. What about this part? Here 3 units are being shared in this Si. So, totally only 1 is for this oxygen, remaining 3, 1/2. Therefore, only 1/2. If you consider this particular SiO4, this oxygen is exclusively for this silicon. Remaining 3 contribution to this SiO4 4 minus unit is only half, 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 totally 1.5. So another one. I have taken these two. Alright. If I sum up Si2O 3 plus 1.5, 3 plus 1.5, 4.5. But fractional number we cannot have. Si2 4.5, Si4 O9. See here, silicon atom, one silicon atom, exclusively for it 2, remaining 2, contribution 1, therefore 3. Here, exclusively for this one, 1, another 3, 1.5, sorry, another 3, 1.5, half, 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 1.5. Therefore, SiO3 here, Si 2.5, SiO 2.5. The sum will become Si2 5.5, O 5.5. Am I correct? 2 exclusively for this, 2 share half, half, therefore 1. If you go in for this SiO4 4 minus unit, 1 exclusively for this, remaining 3 contribution half plus half plus half 1.5, therefore 2.5. Si2 O 5.5. If I sum up Si4 O11. So total empirical formula we have arrived at, it is Si4 O11. What about the charge then? Charge also can be calculated in the same manner. If I consider one silicon of this kind, only 1 minus charge. If I consider this silicon, 2 minus charge. So for 2 silicon, the charge is 3. For 4, it should be 6 minus. Can you imagine and understand? If I go in for this part, where 3 are shared, the charge is only 1, 1 minus. If I go in for this type of SiO4 4 minus, 2 are shared and therefore charge is 2 minus. Total charge Si2, here 2 minus, here 1 minus. Total charge 3 minus. If I double, it will become 6 minus. If it is n times, Si4 O11 n times 6n minus. So this is the charge on amphiboles. The amphibole ion or double chain silicate ion is having the molecular formula Si4 O11 n times 6n minus. The example for chain silicate we have seen. Yes, for double chain silicate, it comes to asbestos. Asbestos is the example. It is made of calcium, magnesium, and then SiO4 single unit, SiO4 O11 single unit. What is the charge on single unit? 6 minus. But here, what is the total charge? 2 plus, 3 into 2 plus, 6 plus. So totally 8 plus. It is only 6 minus. One more oxygen atom is present in between with 2 negative charge. So this is the molecular formula for asbestos. This is the molecular formula for asbestos. Ca Mg3O Si4 O11. All right. Asbestos is the example for double chain silicate. Then sheet silicate or phyllosilicate. Sheet silicate, the same thing, it is developed in the form of a sheet. The same thing developed in the form of a sheet. Oxygen, like as it goes. When extended, we will be getting here one silicon, here one silicon, likewise it goes. All right. Likewise, the sheet goes. It is getting extended where all these SiO4 units, are sharing 3 electrons, sorry, 3 oxygen atoms. Here few, in the previous case, in the double chain silicate, certain SiO4 units, 2 oxygen atoms are shared. In certain SiO4 units, 3 oxygen atoms are shared. Likewise, we said in double chain silicate or amphiboles. Example, asbestos we have seen. The asbestos is highly stable, thermal insulator, not combustible. Therefore, it is used in brake lining, etc. But because of its carcinogenic property, the use is nowadays prevented, and asbestos is not used in so many places. That also we may be knowing. Next one, sheet silicate. I can use the same thing for sheet silicate. Sheet silicate or phyllosilicate. Sixth one, it is extended. It goes on in all the directions, and therefore 3 oxygen atoms of SiO4. Unlike the previous case, double chain silicate, here all the 3 oxygen atoms are shared. All right. When 3 oxygen atoms are shared, how we will be getting, you will be knowing. It is getting continued. Therefore, in all the places, 3 oxygen atoms are shared. So, this is how we get a sheet silicate or phyllosilicate. When 3 oxygen atoms are shared, in what way you will be getting? Si, 3 oxygen atoms are shared, only one is remaining. So, only one is for this. Remaining 3 shared to a particular silicon, 1 by 1 and half, 1 plus 1 and half, 3 by 2, therefore 1 and half. What about the charge? Only one charge. Only one charge, because it is also shared now. Only one charge, one negative charge. So, for this sheet silicate, if I go in for SiO4, 3 units are shared, therefore it comes like this. When I double this, it becomes Si2O5. Si2O5. What will be the charge? 2 minus. Just one charge. 1 for 1 unit. Remain, all the 3 are shared. And therefore, no metal ion can give the charge. If I make it n times, Si2O5 n times 2n minus. That is the unit of phyllosilicate unit or sheet silicate unit. Here, each SiO4 4 minus tetrahedron share 3 oxygen atoms. It extends into 2-dimensional sheet-like structure, just like graphite. It is extended. Several layers you will be getting. It is held by big attractive force. One can slide over the other. The talcum powder, talc, mica are all examples. Talc and mica are examples for this. Talcum powder that we use, one is sliding over the other, very soft. Mica, soft, one can slide over the other. This is how we get sheet silicate or phyllosilicate. And finally, 3-dimensional silicate or tectosilicate. Here, all the 4 are shared. When all the 4 are shared, for one silicon, 4 oxygen atoms, 4 are shared, 1/2 contribution, therefore O2. Thin share, no charge, so SiO2. If n units are joined, Si to n times. So Si to n times is the molecular formula for three-dimensional sheet or tectosilicate. All the oxygen atoms are shared. Example, quartz. The example is quartz. If the silicon atoms are replaced by aluminum atoms in the SiO4 4 minus unit, if the silicon atoms are, of course, we start with SiO4 only. By sharing, the molecular formula becomes like this. This tetrahedral unit is the base for all. If it is replaced by AlO4 5 minus, if it is replaced by AlO4 5 minus, we will be getting aluminosilicate and example feldspar. Feldspar. Zeolite also comes under this. Zeolite also comes under this. So that is about various types of silicates. Orthosilicate, sorosilicate, ring silicate, chain silicate, double chain silicate, sheet silicate and three-dimensional silicate. For all those things we have given illustrations, molecular formula, example. Hope you may be understanding well and it is possible for you to draw the structures easily, and mostly in competitive examinations like NEET and IIT, the molecular formula for everything example will be asked. Thank you for patiently listening. Naturally, this particular topic might have taken much time. Once again, thank you.